Hey y'all, welcome back to Taelorian tutorial. So today I did a red smoky eye using the Juvias Festival Palette, and I just basically did a review on it, and basically not really a review but a tutorial on it because I got the palette and I really loved it. I do hope you guys enjoy this beautiful palette. This palette has like so many beautiful shades. If you're new to my channel, like, girl, subscribe, please. I'm trying to get to 1K, and if you are already a subscriber here, welcome back, and let's get right into this video. Oh yeah, in this video I was looking crazy. Like I just got off of work and I wore a scarf because I work with kids. I can't come to work like this every day or my lashes will get pulled off, so bear with me in this video because at the end, baby, invest in wigs. That's all I'm telling you, girl. Like, invest in a wig. Like, it does wonders. I know it might sound like expensive, but it really is an investment, honestly, and you should invest, honestly. See you guys at the end of the video. Bye. Started with this pretty color. It's like a peanut butter color to me. And my crease, I'm kind of winging this. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Okay, so I decided what I am going to do. Finally, I think I want to do like a red smoky eye since it features like two tones of red. One is brighter, one is darker. And you know, with eyeshadow, well, if you don't know, you always go lightest to darkest. So if you have a lighter red, you use the lighter red first, then use the darker red. Same things with pink. If you have a pink, you use the lighter pink, then you go darker pink. So we're gonna use the lighter red, which is over here. It's like, oh, voila. I don't know. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M441 brush. And I'm going to go slightly under my transition shade. And yeah, let's see. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm kind of winging it out because I always like to taper my eyeshadows. So I always bring it out too far just because when I don't bring it out too far, I usually end up messing up because I don't bring it out enough. So I make sure I bring it out enough and then kind of erase it with my concealer. So now I'm going to be taking the real, like, the real dark red right here. It's, I'm not gonna say that name, but it's right here, and I'm gonna put that lower, and then we're smoking it out. Okay, so I totally lied. I'm gonna take that same color, but I'm gonna put it on my lid because I want red on my lid. Yeah. Do like a semi liner. I'm not gonna try to do anything bold because I don't even like myself in liner anymore, like wing eyeliner. I used to be like really into it, but not anymore. So I just bought a new eyeliner. I hate the eyeliner that has the balls in it. Like, they suck. And I could have sworn I shook it in the store if it even had the freaking ball in it. But I'm gonna be using the Revlon Color Stay. This is a skinny version because I like this the tip to be very thin. I do better with those. See how little it is. Okay, so I kind of did my basically eyeliner off camera, not on purpose. I was just out of frame. But it's not bad. So my eyeliner are totally different. It happens, girl, but we are just gonna put our lashes on and go with it. I did this one way too high, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna clean it up with my Tarte, and how I decide where I want to take how much off. I basically leave a little bit red because it is a smoky eye. So basically where the liner is, I leave the like a little bit of red that's below it and take the rest off. because I'm going to use the rest. You want to keep some on because you're going to end up smoking out your waterline. So you want some still kind of on. So and I know it looks crazy right now, but I'm going to put foundation over it anyway. For right now, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Primer Oil and my NYX Honey Do Me Up. This is a perfect combination for you girls that have dry skin out there, just because this is very moisturizing on the skin. With summertime, I'll probably do like the NYX Honey Do Me Up, just because this one is a little like, it's gonna make me oily probably in the summer, and I have dry skin, so that's gonna be like too much. I'm gonna be sweating off my makeup. So but for right now, I'm still gonna use both. And I'm gonna do my lashes, but I like to let this sit in my face. Like, it does so much better when you let it sit in your face and then you do something else. So rather than going right in with your foundation, so I'm just gonna let it set first and get into my skin. And about my skin is so doing its own thing right now. It always does its own thing, but I swear to God, this is like, I'm not supposed to swear to God, but I swear this is like the worst it has ever been. I promise. Like, my dark spots are getting way darker and I'm getting more, and you know, I've just been getting these big freaking jumbo pimples. Like, I thought it was because of my cycle, but girl, that I've been left and these things are still here. I don't get it, but whatever. These are the lashes I will be wearing today. Everybody is raving over these lashes. They're Beauty Supply lashes, but they're just bomb. And I'm gonna show y'all the style. It's an M811. Just look at that, girl. I'm gonna do my lashes also off camera just because of time, and we know how to do this, right, girls? Aren't these lashes so pretty? Like, they're so pretty. My glue is still drying, that's probably why y'all see blue, but get those lashes. And now for foundation, you already know I'm using my Lancome and 520 Suede, and yeah, followed by my Tarte Deep Concealer. Still loving that. I do want to try, I think I said this in one video, I don't know, that I wanted to try the Revolution concealer. A lot of people like it, so I have to check it out. I'm going to be setting my concealer with my Clinique powder. It's not, is it a shade? A43, I guess. And I'm going to go in with my contour, my Black Opal. It's a foundation stick, but I use it to contour, and Black Walnut. And yeah. So y'all, look what I got. Just see. Wait, it's too bright. It's too bright for the freaking camera. The camera can't even catch this highlight. Cause bitch, this highlighter and my ring light are battling right now. That's why you can't see it. There we go. Isn't she pretty? I know you probably seen it on a bunch of like influencers like that you follow page, because everybody basically gets sent it, and I was like, wow, it's beautiful. And I love Emreezy. She's so beautiful. I've been following her for a long time, but let me just say this, like, if you're kind of struggling to purchase it, it's better in person. Like, I was looking at it on like everyone's Snapchat and I was like, wow, it's pretty, but gorgeous in person. Like, to have it, I'm like, I'm so happy that I purchased it, and you know, it's just gorgeous in person. And I've been telling everybody that. They're like, how is it? I'm like, it's more pretty in person. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that highlighter on my Wet n Wild pencil to line my eyes, and then for my blush, I'm gonna go to my BH Cosmetics Forever Nude palette. That's my all-time favorite blush in that palette, and we're gonna put that in. Now going back to our festival palette, I'm gonna take I'm gonna take I don't know how I want to do this. Should I do the darker? Yeah, I'm gonna do the lighter. I'm gonna take the lighter red, this one, the one that starts with the O, and I'm gonna put it in my waterline, and I just took the darker one in my waterline, and I'm gonna smoke it out. So you just want to go crazy with it, but not too crazy. Okay, so I smoked it out. All I need to do is use my mascara for my bottom lashes, and then my lip combo, which I'm pretty sure y'all know that that's gonna be brown liner and gloss. That's it. And this is the finished look, you guys. So, oh yeah, so I just end up adding my Pumpalicious gloss from Forever 21. You already know, like, this is my all-time favorite gloss. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and tell everyone to subscribe. Like I said, I'm trying to get to 1K, and I could use all the help I can get. So thank you, and I will see you guys later. Oh, and I'm doing a haul video after this video if you want to see where I got my stuff. Ay. So look out for that video. I don't know which one is going up first, so just stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.